Maricar and Richard, thank you for posting about emotional needs. We heard it sa seminar 5 years ago. LDR kami ng first 4 years. We are 5 years married and so far, this is the best year with our relationship. I showed your video to my husband this morning. I asked my husband what his top needs are. Ang sagot niya ay,
physical attractiveness and domestic support.
which I am not depositing. I used to be pretty and skinny before we got married, and after the baby, I gained 20 pounds and not exercising or even putting makeup since now I'm a full-time mom. And now I see why he is frustrated when the house is not in order. Sabi nung husband niya, the hardest thing to live with is makalat ka sa house. Sa love bank ng lalaki, yung malinis yung bahay and physically attractive spouse is yun yung top 2 niya.
So, pag hindi binibigay yon, wag na. Mababawasan yung coins. Pag
Mababawasan
hindi-
yung points mo.
Oo.
Okay, maganda yung heart ng girls.
Maganda yung heart ng girls.
Sabi ng
Sobra.
girl, because I love him, I told him, I'll start to be fit again and I'll clean the house for him because he needs it. Ang ganda nun. Sabi ng wife na my biggest need is deep conversation and family commitment. I reflect on our first 3 years of marriage. He was an OFW in Singapore. All the times when he was not there when I gave birth, raised the child. Physical presence is very important to me.
So, every time wala yung guide doon sa mga milestones nung girl at nung family, nababawasan siya ng deposit.
So, yun yung first example where you will see na yung dalawang love banks iba. The first year pa lang, naaralan nila yung emotional needs pero hindi sila nag-deposit. Sa 5th year nila, okay na sila. They look back and said, bakit ba hindi ba tayo okay nung first 4 years? Kasi nga, yung lalaki, physical attractiveness ang kailangan. Yung babae, hindi siya nag-exercise, hindi siya nag-makeup, hindi siya nagpaganda. Pangalawang need ng lalaki is domestic support. Dapat malinis yung bahay, makalat yung babae.
Oo.
And then, ang need naman ng girl ay
Intimate conversation and family commitment.
na hindi nabigay ng guy because nasa Singapore siya.
Oo.
No, they're better now because of the deposit. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag
Pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.